Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test between Vivo V17 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Note 8 comes with a Exynos 8895 processor with a 6 gigs of RAM, while the Vivo V17 Pro on the other hand comes with a Snapdragon 675 chip with 8 GB RAM. So very interesting to see dual cameras on the back on the Note 8 versus a quad cameras on the Vivo V17 Pro. So let's get right into it. So starting off by booting both phones up at the same time, and Note 8 is a little bit faster there. And let's see. And Vivo V17 Pro comes with a 4100 mAh battery size, and you can see Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is faster there when it comes of booting up, about 4 or 5 second difference there. Now Vivo V70 Pro is also done. Note 8 comes with a quad HD with the Super AMOLED display versus a full HD Super AMOLED display on the Vivo V17 Pro. Little bit difference there, not a huge difference when it comes of booting up, and you can see, and the screen to body ratio incredible on the Vivo V17 Pro, and everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, Vivo V17 Pro, followed by their settings. That was about the same on both phones. Moving on with mic lock, and again that was about the same. Maybe Note 8 is just a tiny bit faster there with the animation. So moving on with the calendar, and that is little bit faster on the Vivo V17 Pro, followed by the Note 8. My files, that was about the same on both phones. So moving on with some games applications. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga, and seems like Vivo V17 Pro is done. Yes, it is faster than the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, just a tiny bit faster there. So next up is the Subway Surfer, and you can see, and the screen to body ratio incredible on the Vivo V17 Pro with no notch, no forehead, and you can see. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. Games apps loading times is faster on the Vivo V17 Pro, again faster on the Vivo V17 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is almost done, and you can see about 2 or 4 second difference there opening up the cameras, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, followed by the Vivo V17 Pro. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Samsung internet browser on the Note 8 versus a Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V17 Pro. Launching the wikipedia.org on both phones, same Wi-Fi network, and Vivo V17 Pro is just a tiny bit faster there. I believe Note 8 is right behind, and you can see, and scrolling is very smooth on both phones and faster as well on these devices. So next up is the youtube.com, and Vivo V17 Pro is just a tiny bit faster there. Maybe that was about the same on both phones. You guys are the judge of the speed test, and you can see. So let's check out the RAM measurement on these devices. Note 8 comes with a 6 GB RAM versus a 8 GB RAM on the Vivo V17 Pro. Phone dialer, and the settings, mic lock, no refresh so far on the Note 8. Note 8 is having a almost 2-year-old phone. Let's see the games. Again no refresh. Subway Surfer, no refresh so far on the Vivo V17 Pro as well with the 8 GB RAM. Oppo A9 2020 is very bad in the RAM management, while the Vivo V17 Pro is performed very good in the RAM management. And overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Vivo V17 Pro, and the system based application faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. RAM management is incredible on both phones. Not much a difference between 8 GB RAM versus a 6 GB RAM on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And thank you so much for watching this speed test between Vivo V17 Pro versus a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.